The island, it is silent now, but the ghosts still haunt the waves. A torch lights up a famished man who fortune could not save. Did you work upon the railroads? Did you rid the streets of crime? Were your dollars from the White House? Were they from the five and dime? Did the old songs taunt or cheer you? But did they still make you cry? Did you count the months and years? Or did your teardrops quickly dry? I know, says he, it was not to be. On a coffin ship I came here, and I never even got so far that they could change my name. Thousands are sailing across the Western Ocean to a land of opportunity that some of them will never see. Fortunes prevailing across the Western Ocean, their bellies full, their spirits free. They'll break the chains of poverty and we dance. In Manhattan's desert twilight, in the dead of afternoon, we stood hand in hand on Broadway, like the first men on the moon. Then the blackbird broke the silence as you whistled, it's so sweet. And in Brendan Behan's footsteps I danced up and down the street. Then we said goodnight to Broadway, giving it our best regards. Tipped our hats to Mr. Cohen, dear old Times Square's favorite bar. Then we raised the glass to JFK and a dozen more besides. When I got back to my empty room, I suppose I must have cried. Thousands are sailing again across the ocean, with a hand of opportunity draws tickets in a lottery. Wherever we go, we'll celebrate the land that made us refugees from fear of priests with empty plates, the guilt, the glowing effigy, and we dance to the music, dance to the music, and we dance to the music, we dance to the music.